only time Sundowns at Wallis Stadium is when they say it's open gate, Moko skip yellow, and then Ufag skip yellow, Ufag Chiefs. They do that.
Uthola inkomo mase stadium uzibuza ukuthi nomuntu ungene kanjani. You understand? Only to find out ukuthi ama parents they were there mfethu. You understand? They do push.
Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. I'm your host Sipho Hadebe. Today we have a guest. Petty host yami yesibili la ubaba umuntu uyaphila.
Hey, siyancenga phuma.
Hayi sibonga mfethu. Bakuxolana.
Siphila kunjani?
Sasijabule ukuba nawe namhlanje mfethu. Siyathemba ukuthi sizoba ne-conversation evuthiwe la ku-PSL ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi esikhathini esiningi mina nawe sivamise ukuthi singaboni ngasolinye in terms of our teams. Yeah. No, sicela nje kancane bakuxolana usichazisele nje ukuthi ungubani uthando lakho lebhola then bese siyaqala ke.
Okay. Ngiyabingelela nami ku Timeline Radio. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for i-invite namhlanje. Igama lami uXolani, ngihlala khona la eFarm Extension 3. Yeah, ibhola khule vele ngiyela nje kakhulu from sahlala emkhukhwini e-Orange Farm. I remember there was what is that? The home divide. And then the I used to sit there, TV was just near me. Then whenever there was a situation whereby Chiefs may go or may go, then I would keep the home divide. So those are the memories that I have, like since it's happened with people and so now we are
For sure, very black and white.
No, I think the most important thing la ukuthi i-room divide obviously behlala ikhahlela ngama weekend yaphuma. So manje uyithelile wayeplace.
TV stay.
All right,
my love for football. Yeah, it's very big.
Okay, no, sibonga. Viewers ekhaya lana siphethe nazo izinto ezikhala kamnandi sine all day game proudly made khona la Orange Farm. Sine Dinapo wine very smooth and fine. You won't get disappointed. Siyathemba lapho wabukele emakhaya nizothokozela ama product sithanda nokubonga futhi ukuthi kube yiwo ama product okuqala ezayo la kule show azosixhasa.
Yeah, njengoba vele kuyishow yethu yokuqala siyathemba ukuthi sizoba nabo throughout and then nabanye ke futhi bazoza bakwazi ukuthi bapromote into zabo because you know the good thing ukuba nama products wasekasi and then i-show yasekasi, so yeah we locally branded.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, bafethu ngicela siqaleni ke manje silweni ke ngoba ebholweni niyazi nani ukuthi abahambi kahle. Sizocela baba umuntu usivulele ke ingxoxo yethu namhlanje.
Yeah, sibonga ithuba bafethu esilitholayo ukuthi fanele sibe yini yabo. Ngicabanga ukuthi PSL iphelile. Sokuyisikhathi manje sokuthi siqale manje singene siqhaqhe sibone ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Namhlanje ngicela nje sifocuseni the top 3 teams, right? Performance yabona nje lapho ukuthi okay kube technical support, yabona i-managerial, yabona zonke nje izinto ezenzakala kula mathila oqala, anything onayo okuthi mhlambe ungayifaka and then yeah we-top 3 PSL.
Yeah. No, kuyazwakala mfethu sibonge lapho Dimen. The reason why sine guest ke besingafuni ukuthi mina nawe senze lempi yethu sithi at least namhlanje soba nomuntu ozoba nomdlali. Yes. So Mr. X, top 3 teams in the PSL kule season.
Okay, it's Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, Stellenbosch FC.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think this is serious profit. I think it's been 4 years, manje Sundowns like Logi Tatama.
Yes.
Lokulandela, yabo. So they did change the coach Ulane, of which I think most South Africans were very disappointed with their decision. Because imagine, like, we believe nothing like it's Yafuna, like as fans, like I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, yeah? But then Yafuna Bona is South African coach,
Yes.
right? One Pumelela, you understand? Like Upito Ayenzile, like Augustine Ayenzile. So it would have been a nice thing ukuthi Upito bamnikeze a chance for Ulane bamnikeze a chance ukuthi like yabo abe longer like umsebenzi wakhe, right? Because I believe ukuthi ne CAF ifinally le yazo okay Mamelodi Sundowns, they know how they play. I'm a player ayazana like for some time. Confidence is there, so we already knew ukuthi they are the contenders for the league. Orlando Pirates, yeah, Coach Akona is a very good coach. That's what he showed like through our past seasons. But then I think it never cover time. Like Orlando Pirates, every season they're always changing their first year. That's what every year, some player their new signings. But then the coach law, like the way I'm talking about, who was playing this team like in a very short space of time, of which this season is going in, they were very good until end of the season, whereby it was in February where they played the Sundowns. I think that 4-1 lost the Pirates, man. Yeah, it ends with like it determined season, which the Pirates is on the and then Stellenbosch FC, yeah, Smolene was fetching a wicket, but for me, they were very good. I think there's very sentiments about Orlando Pirates, people in Stellenbosch. The Stellenbosch, like, I think they are the best team that produces, like, I'm a player. Like,
yes.
Because, more to try to pay, Snabo to please. Ukuthi manje babuya ku-Stellenbosch sinabo fan oil sebadlaleli Pirates, right? So every year I think every team is lacking ukuthi Stellenbosch produce ama-player and then bayahamba bayotomula lapha. I understand. So with the new team ebebanayo this season, they were very good. I understand. Considering ukuthi they lost most of their best players. So yeah, kudos to Steve Barker ngomsebenzi wakhe wenza. So yeah, ngizophelela lapho okwamanje
yeah, no, siyabonga Mr. Siyabonga. Dimen, ngiyazi ukuthi maybe mina nawe more or less singafana naye or singadifa kancane. But let me first put my 3 teams. Of which I believe it's Mamelodi Sundowns, obviously. Then it's Orlando Pirates. And for me, I'm not sure whether to put Magesi in or Stellenbosch, because now that I'm hearing I'm affected with Stellenbosch, challenging because I was more confident with Magesi for me. But hearing Mr. X saying this thing is difficult than I thought, you know. Even now for Sundowns and the Pirates. For me, they are the top 3, but number 1 army for me would be Orlando Pirates.
Yeah,
I know. They call them Abo. We've tried because they are actually
deputy.
Yes, yeah. But considering the fact that the coach brought Ama players as Nawaz, and not 1, not 2, we can count over 5 players. Like the performance was the best. Like you know, Orlando Pirates, Ushabuzo performer, Orelozo performer, Upotuzo performer, and Bomboras, yes, the likes of Bomboras. So for me now, I think maybe the best team. I'm games about Lille, I'm a competition that involved the war, so I'm going to be credit Kakuro. Because by improving the parents of the CS. Yes, it's said to coach last one of the team say and we know one attendance you George Ama player. That's what happened 1 2. Then in case in Marcus Stellenbosch. Okay, well I feel with Marcus he deserve an eye over top 3, reason being PSL debutants, winning Carling Black Label Cup, beating Mamelodi Sundowns in the final, beating Orlando Pirates. Yet they hold on good league, but I go relegation. Yeah. So that's why we are sure between the Stellenbosch in Afagaban. So angazi kuwe into
no ngiyakuzwa Punganya. I think also ngivumelana nawe when it comes to Pirates and Sundowns. So mina Sundowns have never been a fan anyway. But Pirates has been outperforming. Actually, has been outperforming. Ama teams lawa amount wabheka mandla bewasa azodlala against Pirates. We were complaining ukuthi Pirates I change lineup yayo, so it end up predictable. But coach bekayenza something else. Yabona the fact ukuthi introduce abafana abancane kuna this boy man bekadlala left back uZosi. I think asikhulumi enough ngalo mfana yakho because yabona having to look at Umbogazi, Umdlozi, and then the future is bright for a team if you're having such confident player. So Gutiba, Gugoma early 20s, like I wanna teenagers. So once the Spanish float, that's why Ngatimina. Nami for me, na team Pezu, Ngaitata Nika Pirates, number one team for me. Yes. I remember I said I will appreciate Pirates in Al Ahly we final yes, rather than Sundowns and Pyramids, because Pyramids got nothing to lose already. So achieved figure but then yes, in Pirates, Pirates, almost everything which figure corner. The reason why in Sundowns in number 2 or number 3, even so, it's because of I still feel Caruso did nothing to Sundowns as a coach. Urulani was continuing with Ito's work. So it's okay. So Upito figure one layer a foundation because if you check out Upito is Pansak, I figure was true. Oh, the same color even the fence everyone as I was going to one. And then was Gucci Ayenze like a Lentule with a figure corner. So Mina, it will be Orlando Pirates. I will take his Stellis, Steve Barker, guys. No, marvelous. And then the same Tata is Sundowns in the number 3.
Okay. No, just ngiyabona ukuthi le conversation if una go 5 days. Yeah, there's a lot of things in
because even with the Pirates, even with the Pirates, we have to consider the fact ukuthi Baluze Salim during the season, of which Salim last season was their best player of the season. Yes. I understand that idea. So those are little factors ukuthi manje ziyayenza nazo ukuthi like yachot the team top a performance somehow, because as teammates all dlalile sipho I know as teammates uyazi ukuthi makhona bani izinto ziyayenza.
Yes.
I understand. And then when you lose people like along the season, then sometimes the performance nayo izodropa somehow. Okay, bawazi ukuthi bayibambe, but then I still believe ukuthi uSalem kube bekakhona, especially against Sundowns. Maybe anything could have happened.
Yeah. All right, yes. Moving along, because of time, bafethu ezinye izinto sizovele sizikela ngaphezulu, but sizoqhubeka because of guest stage of it sizoqala now. So the next one is a stand-up player. I want to know who's your stand-up player with PSL and why.
Okay. Ngicela ukuthi habe yithi. Ane?
Okay.
Ngicela ukuthi kube ne young stand-up player bese kuba ne senior stand-up. Okay. Number 10, Ribeiro. Sundowns. We all know that guy. Bafethu leya muntu loya uyawagqisa ama defense. Etho umkhumbuza uBennett Park, yabo. In his peak time. No, even before that, that guy, so Olipero gives the same thing, but to team. I understand. We was actually in Mamelodi Sundowns. I understand. And then obviously, President Amachuke, that's what that boy, like I believe when the lento Ronaldinho. Barcelona. I understand. Okay, we know which are my rivalries, the Barcelona and the Real Madrid. But then Real Madrid fans, we want Ronaldinho. I understand. Everyone in Spain, they want Ronaldinho. because of what? Because of the attitude. And you understand? So standout player for me was season for junior, not even for junior, for young players. Then I'll put Relebuyile Mofokeng, and then kuma seniors ngabeka uRebel.
Okay, ngicela ukumfaka ejele kancane. If you were to compare the two, who would you pick?
Okay, so this will have to go with my citizenship.
Yeah.
So I'm not racist or biased, but then I think I'll still give it to Relebuyile Mofokeng.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Considering the fact Sundowns is a bigger team more than Pirates at the moment.
Yes.
So imagine ukuthi uRelebuyile Mofokeng kube bekanama-player la bekadlala nama-player Mamelodi Sundowns bekangayenza even more.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
And we won't even know ukuthi mhlambe uRebel yena bekazoba kanjani in terms of performance kube bekadlala. So I'll always go with the underdogs on this one.
Okay, fair enough. Ngifuna ukuza nje kuwe nje kancane futhi.
I mean, I will say the best performing player we league. I will take it to Mamelodi Sundowns. The Brazilian. No, that guy is a magician.
Yeah.
So the reason why I'm giving it to Ribeiro is because of Mofokeng usasemncane usazoba namanye opportunity. Mina I feel ukuthi Mofokeng usadinga another season or two Pirates and then as prove ukuthi okay asengakwazi ukuthi aqhubeka yenze lento leyenza. Yes, taking nothing wrong away from the boy, brilliant, right, wenza yonke into, but also the Pirates was performing.
Yeah.
So leyo nto le yenza ukuthi kube lula for yena ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ashine the way like ashine ngakhona. But ke Ribeiro bafethu I know.
Yeah.
Okay, that's my best player, and then Mofokeng ngathatha the youngest player.
Yeah. No, ayazwakala bafethu because nami I think Ribeiro if we season throughout we level performer and wonke ama competition. Yes, really then they performer, but there was a time they were quiet, especially when game important. So I'm a point to amahamba lapho. Yabo. And had the season been longer, I think bengizohamba nompotha bafethu. It's just that uqala ukuvutha season seyophela yabo. Yeah, but you know. But moving on guys ngendaba yesikhathi ke ngoba isikhathi sambili ngizocela singene kuma manager. Manager perform brilliant kuwo wonke. So my guest I want to know ngala ma-facts wakho because ngiyakuzuza kahle man yabo, but ngicela sizameni ukuthi minimize isikhathi just please.
Yeah, on this one nami ngizozama ukuthi ube short. I would say Steve Barker. You understand? Even the coach with Pirates, because I think they are doing almost the same thing. You understand? But okay, the Pirates on their side, I think they are releasing the players ababona ukuthi ngeke asabasebenze. You understand? And bringing the new ones, of which mostly are South Africans. You understand? So that means this team of it, you are contributor like in terms of how Bafana it makes even the pool a little bit bigger for Hugo Bruce, Utalanda player squad team. I understand. Alanda player Kuma teams. I understand.
Yes.
Same applies to Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch, I don't think they wanted to lose their players. Those were their best players, but then they had so I'll give it to Steve Barker.
Yes. Ubuntu umuzwa kanjani?
No, Steve Barker we are still sponsored but I will still go with the Orlando Pirates coach.
Yes.
Yeah, for the fact ukuthi Pirates chopper change but still wakwazi ukuthi ayicontain ayibeke la imela khona. So for me I ngakaya.
Yes. All right, no, kuyazwakala bafethu. We can move to the next point because nami I choose the Pirates coach since when nakuma teams belong ngihamba the Pirates. So the reason the performance of Pirates is because of coach.
Yeah. So bafethu yazini khona ama factors engingawanaki mina kulesi in terms of team performances. You understand? Nokuthi how big the team is.
Yeah.
Stellenbosch is not a big team of it.
Yeah.
It was recently promoted.
Yeah.
You understand? If it's busy, how I could. You understand? Imagine ukube Stellenbosch lokuyi Ajax Cape Town. ngale fan base yabo.
Yeah.
You understand? What would have happened elikini kuma home game nama away games with how they perform. You understand? They have to change everything because they would have given their players more support. You understand? You understand? Gaming, right? So somehow it's a very big factor in ukuthi manje i-determine ukuthi team
Yeah.
considering ukuthi Orlando Pirates mayise Mamelodi Sundowns kuyagcwala. You understand? Mayise Orlando Stadium kuyagcwala. Right? My away still ama-fans show up. I understand? But when stadium push, sometimes you must say away bafethu. Something like that.
Yeah. But it's an advantage also to them, because of I feel if Bangati started stealing bosses, the Chiefs, Sundowns, and Pirates based on fan base, and then these are pressure. So in the end, which Bagwas perform, it's because of Abana layer pressure. That's why if you check if they see problem is like South Africa, which you will get a player and performer with small team, but if you got a big team, then going to perform. Yes, we're giving them credit for produce a player right na perform abafika but abana pressure kangako abana pressure at all, you see. So coach Stellenbosch can go lose 4 or 5 games in a row. Akunamuntu ozomhlala lana athi you have lost, but if that thing happens to Sundowns yenzeka kuma Pirates and then kuqala kube a problem due nange number ekhona la ku stadium nanokuthi ucoach weBhakane yakwazi ukuthi I entrusted young players. As soon as laba bafana laba mabanga perform, then if your team ibuyela kuye futhi.
No, your take on this one.
Yeah, I'm afraid to answer or to put my view on this because now the manager and the timeline is a part of because this guy young exposed. Remember at first when Kulmen in the Miami markets and when he came up with the facts Stellenbosch, they got Kulmen affecting this why so we have down this thing in the markets. And even now it's just that due to time, man. I'm going to get that deep and challenge, but I think somehow Begama Flex Stellenbosch is a small team, yet but achieve so much and Nagoma competition the way proceed on the corner. Yeah, I think
small team. Stellenbosch has been maybe 2-3 seasons now.
Yes, but the thing now we judge Stellenbosch because of Itimeliyo. We don't judge them based. You can say that,
but that means Sundowns is still small because they've been winning league for the past 8 years or so. But still, but they're outnumbered. And at the only time Sundowns
playing at home is Sundowns, Stellenbosch
they are outnumbered.
The only time Sundowns is stadium is when they say it's open gate, and then Chiefs. They do that. That's what they do.
But if it plays Sundowns, it could get up. Mamela Mr. Khatem, maybe now even we ask Mr. Okay. Like Angaki, I'm a fans in Waziyu. If you favor Kaizer Chiefs or Pirates, so favor Mamelodi Sundowns.
I feel like those people want to understand the ball outside. I'm favorite Pirates.
But no. At the end of the day, Mabai Stadium na kuba tisibaba Nigeria.
Okay. But angithi khona iweng. Yabona the fact yokuthi uthatha umndeni wakho wonke ne stadium. And then does not mean ukuthi omama nabantwana abasupport Sundowns. When you support Sundowns, when who understand the Sundowns, there are very few people who understand the Sundowns. I'm comparing the Sundowns today. Eyabo Zayn Musa, eyabo Rafael Chuku, I still feel ukuthi the Sundowns was there for a taking. But I've never been able to support the Sundowns because of their winning nothing.
Baba, you've never been in Mamelodi.
Yeah, Mamelodi. If you go to Trumpet, you get the same thing. The Celtics, you get the same thing. Take Kaizer Chiefs now.
This stadium broken away.
Take Kaizer Chiefs now. We say Stellenbosch.
Kaizer Chiefs is the
Kaizer Chiefs. But just we're talking about that different base. I like the sister Jaja Stellenbosch fan base. They will never do that.
They will never. I'm sorry, gentlemen. Kuzomele ngimkhaphe due to time. Yazi, I just hope next time sibe nesikhathi esimo and sibe ne topic ye-one because I'm a topic creator our page.
No, but then ufuna ukumenzela umzekelo omncane. Besides outside football, ne? When you are growing up at home, ne? Usually most kids, ne? Obathola like base gardening and stuff. You understand? They'll tell you, you know what? My parents didn't believe in my vision of what I was training to become. Well, I understand a little bit.
Okay.
So in most cases, we tell kids fail because manje abana supporting ukuthi ina. You understand? But then you find ukuthi uthola inkomo mase stadium uzibuza uthaba. Nomuntu ungene kanjani? You understand? Only to find out ukuthi ama parents they were there. You understand? They were pushing ukuthi umntanabo. You understand? Even when ama financial means angekho. You understand? Bayenza ukuthi babe khona umntanabo babe present. You understand? So same applies to nebhola mfethu. You understand? Unokuthi manje mawuvuka ecounty mangabe udlalile ibhola. Mawuthi uyabheka uyabona ukuthi hayi man. These people bazele mina. You understand? Uvuka le yanto phakathi ukuthi you know what? I have to fight for these people. So mfethu mawuthi uyavuka mfethu ubona mfethu abantu abayi-2 or no one at all. That thing it does. It does count.
Better, yes, yeah.
It does count.
Yeah, no, umuntu wa. I will next point. I think biggest win.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So we biggest win, but for you, what is the biggest win?
Okay, Mafit. On this one, I will be a little bit more biased.
Yeah.
I think the biggest win this season was a cup in Mafit. Chiefs won the Nedbank Cup. I understand because Mafit, it's been years the team are winning it. I understand. So we got to see our fans are happy. Like, let me not say I'm a fans. South Africa was happy. I understand. Yeah, because of that win. So I think Coach Nabi did a very good thing. Like I thought, it's a big achievement.
Yeah.
So but then it's not a little thing because imagine not winning a cup for more than 10 years.
Yeah.
I understand a little bit. And then this thing like contributor in terms of our players estimate, I understand a little bit.
Yeah.
So them winning that cup, I think it's the biggest win of the season.
Yeah.
For me.
No, ngiyazwakala mfethu. No. Ngiyavumelana naye kancane. Reason being for me the biggest win was when Kaizer Chiefs beat Mamelodi Sundowns. I think that game you're able to confident the final. What you know we are going for it. If we beat Sundowns, nobody else can stop us. We are one. So that is why this ngiyavumelana naye kancane but mina ngimuva kancane ukuthi iqala nje la ku Sundowns I biggest win.
Yeah. Okay. So I will take it to le mhlawumbe uzothi ngiyakusupport uyabo but ke mina ngayithatha ngiyise kumagesi awuthami kuyowina yabona that will go as the biggest win for team efikayo ukuthi kwazi ukuthi iyoshaya ku Pirates shabo Sundowns bayodraw nabo Kaizer Chiefs nase league so I will give it to them.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
I think on that one,
Yeah, no chance. In closing, we go to the
Tactical approach.
yes, to managers.
to managers, ne?
Yeah.
Bafethu man. Yabona okay, ngicela ngokuqala nje ukuthi khulume ngale manager eMamelodi Sundowns. I think ama coaches we Sundowns like into afuna ukuyenza mawafika like coach Manqoba Mnqithi maqala ukungena ukuba like manager eSundowns maqedwe ukuhamba like for the interim ngithi I think ufuna ukuchange the whole play. I understand.
Sure.
So le nto le yenza ubabone manje teamini malazi ukuthi ndlala kaje and this thing is working for you. Why come and change whatever that's happening? Ama changes ayafuneka, right? You have to tweak there and there. Yabo? Let's talk about example Liverpool, ne? And slot makafika ku Liverpool. Uthole uXolo labafana laba bane fighting spirit but then bebangakhona ukuthi bapushe the momentum until the end of the season. You understand? Azange change like how they play the system. Right? Uthwikile nje lapha nalaphaya. Right? Ama-role. You understand? And leyo nto leyo yayenza ukuthi bayenze ba-perform even much more better. Right? Leyo nto leyo. So same applies to abo coach be-Sundowns. I think like bahluleke. I'll put it like that. So i-Sundowns isidlalele iziwinele league. Ama-players dlalele the way bawajwayele ukuthi adlalele khona. Sibonile ku-final ye-CAF coach lo we-Sundowns that was a worst performance by far for Mamelodi Sundowns because there's no Thembazwane. I think everyone in SA because I believe with most football fans they were supporting Sundowns even though singase ama-fans e-Sundowns.
Yes.
As football fans because if i-Sundowns ithathiwe bekuzothiwa a South African team.
Yes.
I understand that idea. So based on that one, Mafethu, I think Mafethu, I would still go with Stevie Barker on this one. I understand these guys are like Mafethu, I'm underdogs. I understand, and mostly like there are no experienced players like players we Pirates. I understand Pirates at least. Bekusana buxoki emuva bekusana busibisi uyathola abombokazi they get to learn from like best players ukuthi bafethe pressure ni maintain kanje ni contain kanje game this and that. I'll still give it to Steve Barker bafethu.
No Nto in 30 seconds nje what would be your wrap up nje kule nto selection
yazi 30 seconds ngabe yami but yazi mina I will still go with the coach eBhakane due to ukuthi as much as sithi bekunama player nanani fan base lento besikhuluma ngayo not so long ago i-pressure for ukuthi abombokazi bangene bakwazi ukuthi bayi-contain ispansa ka-coach lesana because uba i-father figure laphaya yabo so kumele abasize ukuthi bakwazi ukumaintaina yonke lento leyenzeka laphana abondlozi abonkotha abomfukeng yabo so ukwazile ukuthi atune ispan yabo ukuthi at least labafana laba bangafeel i-pressure bakwazi ukuthi badlale yabo so mina I will go to repeat.
Yeah. All right. No, gentlemen, thank you so much for a conversation namhlanje.
But what else niggas are?
I think it's obvious because I've been going local to Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
So for me, Jose Ribeiro, even though him judge according to the overall performance of my season wakhe wonke, for me on a strategy is good. It's just that unokuba unfortunate man. Especially ngama games okugcina yabo like as we saw ku-CAF.
But guys there's this thing about big teams and fans. I remember when Ustrat Baxter was a coach at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs was winning games 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, 2-1 yabo. But then me on my side bengekho happy because of ibhola esidlalayo ngifuna ukubona amajita abantu ibhola and what. So in terms of playing style ka Ribeiro, are you still happy now?
I definitely am happy mina nge-playing style yakhe. I'm happy. Serious, because yabona mawungathi uyayi-check one thing that I said ukuthi if i-Pirates iya kwi-final ne-Al i-Pirates can adjust. I-Sundowns ayi-adjust. I-Sundowns inale nto yokuthi hayi thina ibhola lethu siyalazi sidlala ibhola lethu and then noma bangaze benzeni sizoloku sifuna ukulinoka sifuna ukwenza impilo yabona so angeke silokhu sibhizi siyale sizama uku-change ama-tactics lana so Pirates tried almost everything. Khona la ubona khona ukuthi okay yabona la bapaka ibhasi labantu labo but the mighty last 15 minutes you know Musi Pirates nami last 15 minutes being Pirates fan mighty 75 minutes you know Pirates will score 3-4 goals so ufake la ngile emzansi so I big up to the guy
big up to the guy defensive football
just sorry Belling
bengibheke i-interview coach we-Simba I think it's the guy Augustine obeka coach what was the team but then it's a South African based coach it's a South African citizen coach nobeka assistant ka Pitso before he was saying ukuthi North African teams are very scared of South African teams because of how slippery they are, like on the field, how they pass the ball, how quick they are. Right? That's our philosophy, mfethu. Uyayithola la yini? Even noma uyabona noma mfethu ku last Africa Cup of Nations mfethu masifika lapha mfethu ngabothembazwane mfethu. Ibona liyanoka. Uyayithola? Finally ye-CAF bekushoda mfethu abozwane mfethu. Abantu abazokwazi ukuthi manje banokha ibhola. Uyayithola? We are not tall mfethu. Uyayithola? We can't be relying on defensive football because labantu bakhosa amabhola thina sibafishane mfethu labantu badi bazogoqa. We understand. Of which that's what happened with game Pyramid ne Orlando Pirates who semi-final. We understand. I'm a goal, we go a cross.
Yeah.
We understand a little bit. So we have to always hold the ball. We understand. The philosophy is ball. That's why I don't believe coaching. That's why I believe in Rulane style of play. Coach Nabi, right?
Yeah.
She was very unfortunate, but it is the big team. Was very unfortunate this season. Right? Because of what? Because of what? It is blind. We understand. Even against the Sundowns, they were playing not the last. I would say the last game. Yeah, but last 2 games.
Yeah,
we understand.
Yes.
That's what. We always go to manage confident. Ball bambi bola, ball passer and what and what. Yiyo into sifuna ukuyibona thina leyo mfethu. Hayi indaba yokuhlala emuva manje Jose Mourinho style mfethu. Uyabona ukuthi namanje Jose Mourinho ukuphi? Uyathola usetheki. It's because of what philosophy yakhe isasebenzi manje. Manje kubanje ibhola mfethu yangenwa mfethu.
But that was not on Pirates. I've never seen that on Orlando Pirates.
Okay, gents, we have to close the show much. This guy is spelling he's on 20 hours next time. All right, we have to close the show. Thanks to the viewers. Always sub and like my video week. And also view ama platforms way too. And now, before that, I would like to give thanks to Miami Lifestyle for hosting us. Spong in Timeline Radio, Spong in the Timeline Radio Sports. So, Babu X, Spong.
I know you. Thank you very much for having me. It was nice for me.
No, I Spong. Someone put you a comparable. Yeah, I was an effect. Just show me. And I was not many your team. I was to skipping at school. But let's say I was a Calamalis more
Okay, Bafetu, that's it for Timeline Radio. Sharp.
Sure.